Hey guys, today I want to share with you the spreadsheet I'm using to track all my stocks and dividend income. So what you can see here on the screen is a spreadsheet based on Google Sheets, and I'm sharing this with you today. You can find the link below, but you need to watch the full video to get the password. So let me explain you how it works. So in the first column, we enter all our stock tickers. Based on the stock ticker, it will then go out and populate the company name, and we can select here from the 11 sectors that we have. You will then need to fill in how many shares you own and what your average price is. After that, the sheet will go out and grab the current market price, and based on that establish the cost basis that we have and the current market value. And what we can get from that is the profit and loss in dollar and as well percentage based, right? Because we track all of our portfolio in this sheet, it will then as well calculate the weight of each stock compared to the overall portfolio. It is very important that you don't want to be overweight in a certain stock. The typical rule of thumb is that you don't really go more than 5% for each individual stock. Okay, then the sheet is also going out and fetching the dividend yield for us, and based on the dividend yield is as well calculating the expected annual income. As well, what we can see here, it is generating for us a 60-day trend line of the price action, as well as the EPS value and the PE ratio. I added here 50 stocks in this portfolio with some sample values, but obviously your portfolio might be smaller or bigger, so you can adjust it accordingly. On the bottom we have the total values, so we have our total cost basis and the total market value, and based on that we have the calculation for P&L in terms of a dollar value and as well percentage wise. So this should help you to track your portfolio nicely. Then in addition we have some aggregate values. So for example here what we can see is in terms of the dividend yield, we get here the average dividend yield, the average EPS, and as well the PE ratio. For us dividend investors, very important here to get our expected annual income, so we can see all the dividends are added up to see here this is our expected annual income. Then as well from a portfolio perspective, it's very important that we are not over concentrated in a certain sector. So what I did as well, I created these formulas to calculate us the sector breakdown based on the numbers that we entered in terms of a percentage value as well as the dollar allocation. And based on these numbers we can see here a pie chart which is representing each sector, so we can always make sure that we're not over allocating in a certain sector. Then when it comes to dividends, what I like to do is track monthly what is the dividend income that I'm receiving, and I think it's nice, especially for a dividend investor, to see what is your passive income. So this is a page here where you can track manually all your income, and based on that it will generate for you this graph on your dividends, which would be very helpful for you to track how you're doing in your portfolio. So I hope this sheet is helpful for you. Make sure to use it. There's many guys out there who sell these sheets, but no, I want to give back to the community, so please share it with your friends. Make sure to subscribe to the channel to get updates on all things investing and money, and I'm looking forward to your comments, and I see you in the next episode.